Do you feel alone right now? Well, I have good news and bad news. The good news is that you are never alone. The bad news is that right now, hundreds of tiny, eight-legged creatures are living, eating, and sleeping on your face. Meet the Demodex mites. They are microscopic cousins of spiders, and almost every adult human on Earth hosts a colony of them. Their favorite place to live? The roots of your eyelashes and eyebrows. They spend their days buried headfirst inside your pores, feasting on your natural oils and dead skin cells. But the real horror happens when you go to sleep. These creatures are afraid of light, so they wait for total darkness to come out. While you are dreaming, they crawl out of your pores and walk across your skin to find a partner. Basically, your face is a nightclub for mites every single night. Before you run to the bathroom to wash your face, stop. It won't work. You cannot scrub them off. They are a permanent part of your biological ecosystem. But don't worry. They are generally harmless. They are just the weirdest roommates you will ever have. If you are brave enough to learn more about the creatures living inside you, hit that subscribe button. And to discover what happens to your body after you die, click the video appearing on your screen right now.